Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of not showing messages and messaging requests on Instagram. A very simple method. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. Let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your Instagram. After that, click on the profile icon, then click on the small picture here, then click on Messages, Replies and Stories. After that, click on Messaging Requests here and activate Messaging Requests. After that, go back and click on Others from here, then activate them from here. This is the first step. The second step, my friend, is to go to the main phone interface. After that, go to Settings, then go to Applications. After that, go to Applications again, then search for the Instagram application among the applications you have here, then click on it. After that, click on Notifications, then activate allowing all notifications. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. Any problems, do not write your suggestions in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.